What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J. It is day 16 of the 30-day sewing challenge. Please forgive me. I have a migraine and I'm feeling it really bad. The show must go on, right? So if you want to see what we're doing next, then please stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna face this down so I can show you what I did and what we're dealing with, which was yesterday's raccoon portrait, right? Okay, so right here we have the raccoon, right? Now, of course, I am doing my block 6 by 12, so it's a little past the six in width, which is fine. So I want to build above and down. I want this in the middle, and I want something going across evenly, top and bottom. So I cut out some strips to kind of like throw off, you know, the colors or something. Right now I'm just playing with it, but this is what I came up with. And then we have either the green or the zebra print, but the whole point is to fill in the spot below and above it so that I can get 12 inches in total. But I also have these pieces here, and I do like this green. It's really interesting. So let's get to sewing, shall we? What I did was just pull the thread without cutting it. It's still the same thing, but I don't know. I just cut off the ends at the end. Instead of stopping, I'm just sewing, skipping. You'll see. So now here we have all the extra threads right here. So I'm just about to clip them all off, which is nothing big. This is an all-purpose quilt thread that I'm using. For this project, I'm just using an all-purpose thread. I love Gooderman's though. That is my favorite. Now we have, I want to see what our inches are. We need a 6 by 12. So we have that. It's a little above it, which is fine. I want to add now to this. I want to add the space right here. So let's see. I want to keep it where I can add the, no, this is perfectly good. All right, so let's mark this off and cut it up. I really am not fond of the rotary cutter yet. I still have to learn how to utilize it, but it does do its job. I'm just not I guess I'm not experienced in it. That's all. So I want it right in smack in the middle. You gotta press. Be careful, ladies. Oh, maybe, nope. Okay, we have that end. Let's go right here. Press firmly. I'm sweating just doing this. This I don't like. Okay, so we have one side. So now I'm gonna flip it. Ooh, I'm sweaty. I want to make sure that my ruler, my grid, is at the edge where it's supposed to be at. Okay. Again, we need to press firmly. Both at the rotary, like you're trying to cut through that pizza dough. Ooh, finally. And here we have a 6 by 12 right here. It's kind of greenish. I love it. And with the raccoon in the middle, I like this. What do you think? Have you checked out Lora Frisch blog? I'm going to post the link to her blog below in the description. If you have any, I would say if you would like to learn more about quilting as far as crazy quilting and a thing called wonky quilting, I'm going to post the link to Darlene Michaud's channel below. Check her out, as well as Whitney Sews. I love it because there's no pressure, especially Darlene, and she makes you laugh. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I send you all a lot of loves, and I already took 2 extra strength Tylenol, so it's slowly dissipating my headache. Thank you so much. And thank you all for the warm birthday wishes that y'all sent. I read the comments. Thank you so much. And don't forget to post your project, what it looks like, on my Facebook like page. The direct social media links will be listed below. Later.